Good evening, Professor. This is Shawn Batchelor. Welcome to my week 2 review video for cross-platform development. It is term 1510. So this week is the iOS version of the same application that we built last week. And this week was way better than last week was. Obviously for a couple of reasons. I don't have the planning phase that I did when I was doing Android. So it's the same application, same processes. We just got to do it the iOS way in Xcode, so that made it easier. In addition, Parse's documentation is actually really good, and it breaks it down Barney style, so I really like that. It's not cryptic like the iOS and the Android documentation is. It's really straightforward, and that helped a lot. But anyway, let me get into the demonstration of the application. It works exactly like the Android app does. I got 3 fields: username, password, and email. To sign up, you are gonna fill in your username. Let's create one, Maxi, and then a generic password, and an email address, maxi@mail.com, and click on sign up. If your sign up is successful, it takes you to the data input screen where you can input a text string, and you can also enter a NS number right there. And once you click on store inputs, it'll save it to the parse server. You get an alert saying your inputs are saved, and then you can load it into the labels that I have right here created for input type A and input type B. If I click on reload, it downloads it from the server and puts it in the labels right there. Now from this screen, as a matter of fact, let me demonstrate that if you close the app. So I close the application and I'm gonna reload it. And because I'm logged in as the current user, it takes me immediately back to the data input screen, and the information stays because it's still on the server. I can click reload and reload it into the data. I can also log out. If I log out of this screen, then I go back to the main screen and I can log in again with the username I created. And if I click on login, it takes me to the screen where I can again reload the data until I press delete. Now if I press delete, it's deleted from the server and it's gone. If I click reload, you're going to get an error message. So that's pretty much it. And obviously error controls are implemented, so you can't save a blank field. And the logout button works too. Click on logout, it takes you back to the main screen. Forget password goes via the parse API, so you will be sent an email to reset your password, and everything works as it should. So let me go over to rubric. User authentication, they are authenticated, and login credentials are saved so they can automatically log in. Creating data, they can create data, and it uses an access control list, which you will see from my code. Same thing for reading, same thing for deleting, and the UI is exactly as I have described it. So this is my week 2 review video for term 1510, cross-platform development. Thank you very much for watching.